Good morning. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas. I'm so excited. I have been consistent and I'm going to continue with being consistent for you guys. Today's video is going to be a short video. I am going to show you guys how to make my homemade strawberry cheesecake with only 4 ingredients. All you need is 4 ingredients to make the perfect cheesecake. So if you would like to see how I make my cheesecake, please stay tuned for this video. And welcome back, TCL crew. Welcome to all my newbies. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can see all of my Vlogmas videos that I have to post for the rest of December. And everything after that. Join your girl. Come on. All right, let's get into this video. Stay tuned.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
For my cheesecake, I only use 4 ingredients, which is the sugar, vanilla extract, cream cheese, and eggs.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
That's what Christmas is all about. I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
5 packs of cream cheese and only 4 eggs. I did have extra filling left over, which is what I wanted because I was going to make mini cheesecake pies, and that is what I did. But if you want the exact amount, then 4 packs of cream cheese is all you need with 4 eggs. But if you use 5 packs of cream cheese, you can use 4 or 5 eggs, whichever you prefer.
Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. Rockin' around, 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 rockin', 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 rockin'.
Let's go now.
Rockin' up. Rockin' up. Rockin' around.
Enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed my cheesecake. Let me know in the comments what toppings you like on your cheesecake, how you like to make your cheesecake. I also love Oreo cheesecake, so let me know if you ever tried that before. Leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can see all of my videos that I'm going to be posting. And join the TCL crew, guys. Until tomorrow and the day after that. See you guys.
I'm on to lovely weather, sleigh ride together with you.